Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are having an absolutely fantastic day. So let us begin with the video. Today we are going to share some internship opportunities as well as job opportunities at Rucha Yantra, which is a part of Rucha group. Okay, let us begin. So let us go to their career portal and then we can have a look at opportunities that are available in Rucha Yantra. Okay, so this page shows us the current openings. This we can go and search for internship opportunities, and here we can send our resume. So let us see what it is. You'll have to enter your name, your area of interest, that can be any of the following. Then you can enter your email ID, your mobile number, and upload a good resume. Then you can write a cover letter kind of message in this, like a comment. Apart from that, if you want to directly apply for job openings, you can go on internship opportunities, and then you will be getting more than 5 or 6 jobs that are currently there. So you can simply click on this marketing or sales executive or mechanical slash automobile engineer. You can click on this. You will have you will get to a page where you can apply directly. The employment type is full time, and the academic requirements are that you must have completed your master's, MTech, BTech or BE in mechanical slash automobile engineering. If you are a fresher, you can also apply, but they prefer experienced professional, obviously. But freshers can also apply, definitely. And the skills that they want are basic knowledge of C++ or C, or Objective C, MATLAB, expert skills of working in CATIA, like that is CAD softwares. Moreover, if you have, they will prioritize you over others if you have a good knowledge of FEA analysis. Then new product develop, you should have your interest in new product development and mechanical design. You should either have participated in some of the competition, student competitions such as Baha, Supra, or any other. If you have a good command over robot operating system, that you would be prioritized, obviously. So and you should have a long term commitment goal, like as of 2 to 3 years minimum, because this is a very good startup and it is growing at a high pace. And it is one of the top 10 startups in Aurangabad itself. So it has a good opportunity to scale up. And since you will be working right from the scratch, so it would be a great learning opportunity for you as well. So let us have a look at other opportunities. So you have social media coordinator, full stack developer, mechanical design engineer, which is an automotive section, automation section, sorry. So let us have a look at the rules requirement that are. So you should have a 1 to 3 years of experience, sound knowledge of automated fixture design, material selection. You should have a good, you should be good in defining tolerances with GD&T. Should have hands-on experience on other mechanisms, and moreover, you should be good in calculations, like to define structure loads, choose the right OEM and accessories. For example, robots, pneumatics, hydraulics, linear guides, LGs, caster wheels, motors, robots, gearbox, liftings, bearings, etc. Then you should be proficient in Solid Edge and SolidWorks. Moreover, like Unigraphics would be an added advantage to your resume, to your profile. And you should have hands-on manufacturing techniques, good presentation and negotiation skills, and you should be ready to travel whenever required. Okay, so this is the kind of job openings that are available. If you want, you can definitely apply. You can directly send your resume and apply for internships. They will definitely give you internships. They will send you an email that you are selected, or this is the procedure that you need to follow for this getting this internship or job. Okay guys, thank you so much. Hope you all like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.